everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you're welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, we're talking about Uzalo. We are toward the end of season 6. As reported earlier, Kabanga and Gabsile are leaving the show. Gabsile'S walls are closing in on her just when she thought she had put the past behind after killing Nomcebo and Kehla. Kabanga decided to reopen the case and all evidence are pointing Gabsile and Sibonelo. Gabsile will secretly invite Sibonelo at church for them to plan a way forward to their problem. She will suggest that they must escape without knowing that Kabanga was listening their whole conversation, including their dark secret. And he will confront Gabsile before she comes clean, and she will come clean to Kabanga. She will confess her sins, and then after, the church will learn about her death. Could Kabanga be involved in her passing? I don't think so, because Kabanga would be the one who would be planning Gabsile'S funeral in the absence of her body, while Sibonelo wants to wait until the body is found. If Sibonelo thinks he is free now, he must think again, because Kabanga wants justice for his family. Therefore, he will request the police to investigate Sibonelo for murder now that Gabsile have died. Will Sibonelo be Kabanga's exit ticket? We are about to find out. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.